In Go, there is a way to protect your stones so that your opponent will never be able to kill them. Create eyes. An eye is a spot surrounded by your stones where you will never need to play to connect yourself. Let's have a look at some examples. In this situation, it's not possible for white to play at any of the 3 marked spots. While playing there, white would simply kill himself because white stone wouldn't have any liberty left and black stones would still have some liberties around. However, if white had the surrounding stones so that black wouldn't have any outer liberties with his groups, it would already be possible for white to play inside and capture black stones. But if we connected any 2 of these groups and had one group with 2 eyes, it wouldn't be possible to kill this group. It would have only 2 liberties, but white wouldn't be able to take any of them away. While trying to take 1 liberty away, black would still have 1 more, and white would have 0, so white would be automatically captured. Groups with 2 eyes are unkillable. But let's have a look at one more situation. How do you think? How many eyes does this group have? Only 1. White can play in this spot because he still has 1 more liberty left. And then we have 2 options. First, if black captures white's stone, black will have only 1 liberty left, and white will be able to capture black's group in the next move. Second, if black ignored the situation, white would be able to play here and capture black's group anyway. In this situation, black has only 1 big eye, but it's necessary to have 2 eyes to live with a group.